In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started as an independent courier with Uber. The process is straightforward but does require attention to detail as there are several necessary steps to ensure you're set up properly and ready to hit the road. First, we begin by creating your account. This is your initial step in embarking on this new venture. Signing up involves registering as an independent courier. You'll begin by providing your personal details. This might seem like just a formality, but it's essential to ensure all your information is accurate and current to avoid any future hiccups in the process. You'll also set up your profile, which helps Uber get to know you better and tailor your delivery needs accordingly. Next, you have the exciting decision of selecting your delivery method. Uber offers flexibility here, allowing you to choose between delivering by car, bicycle, or scooter. Think about what works best for your lifestyle and make sure you have the appropriate transport and equipment to smoothly facilitate your deliveries. Once you've chosen your delivery method, it's time to focus on documentation. Head over to the Documents section in the app. For those using a vehicle, a valid UK driving license and proof of insurance are necessary. If you're choosing a bicycle or scooter, a photo ID will suffice. Don't forget your profile picture. It's crucial for professional identification and adds a personal touch. Following the documentation, you'll need to complete a background check, a procedure handled by third-party providers like Sterling. This step is imperative for the safety and security of everyone involved, including you, and is standard across similar platforms. After you've submitted everything, it's time to wait for approval. Uber will review your documents alongside the results of your background check. While it might take a little time, rest assured that they're working hard to process everything as quickly as possible. Keep a lookout for any communications via email and SMS, as this is how you'll be updated about the status of your account activation. Finally, once you receive the green light and your account is activated, it's time to get started. With your account in good standing, you're officially ready to receive delivery requests on the Uber Driver app. This is where the journey truly begins, offering you the freedom and flexibility to work on your terms. So take each step carefully, ensuring all your information is correct and up to date, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful independent courier with Uber. Enjoy your new role and happy delivering.